Yeah, people, what we're going on out here right now, it's like a storm. We out on the Claxton Bay Barge right now here. We out here since morning. No big set of action right now. A man now miss a little group of there. Have a next footage of that day, but he ended up missing the group of two. We only see him pulling it in. We got a small glimpse of it, and that was the end of that. But right now the rain kinda dealing with me right out here right now. But watch the sea condition right now. Water choppy. So on the barge here, it has two containers. Well, they cut up one there, and it have a next whole one over here. We could use for a little shade and thing. It have a little hammock. Whoever spending the night and they're out here, it well, they don't see what's going on already. Once the rain comes, you can't really do nothing out here. Out here real dangerous too in a kind of sense, but you have to be careful and take your time, especially when the rain falling too. The water just looking so on the camera, but the water real bad right now. Watch them guys and them they taking what out there in the front line there. Me I taking now what I have work this week, and me really looking to get no cold and no fever and thing right now, so I out of that. Watch how this breeze blowing, if I believe in me, watch what's going on this thing here. Yo, out here and hearing all kind of different noise out here. We all kind of thing making noise out here right now. We supposed to leave here within the hour and thing, but with this condition of the weather and thing, even if the boatman might be able to come out here right now. The sky blue and the rain falling. And the boatman coming from that direction. Straight. Yeah, he can pass through right over here and come through right here. So. My partner Max and Robin taking wet out there right now. Them are really business. A man now catch one salmon there, two redfish. But yeah, people, if you're out in the barge here in Claxton Bay, it have a little shade and thing you can get. It have a container in top here, so you could always get a little shade and thing too. But you still have to be careful, you know. Anyways, people are going back out in the front line there. I'm going to make a video when I reach back out there and I'm going to show you with the time in the front.